Fineness looks perfect.
Cooling is complete.
Just a simple slice.
Place them in the dry zone.
Levels are stable. Weights are accurate. Fineness looks perfect.
Temperature stable. Yeast is safe.
All ingredients approved. Sending to mixer. Flour flow is steady. Water added, sugar and salt mixing now.
Yeast added, ready for kneading.
Oil added, mixing sequence ready. Texture is smoothing nicely. Mixer running at optimal speed. Kneading complete. Dough is perfectly elastic.
Dough moved to resting chamber, preparing for fermentation.
Temperature and humidity stable. Fermentation conditions perfect. Yeast is active. Dough is rising nicely.
Dough has doubled in size. Fermentation on track.
Fermentation on schedule. Timing monitored precisely. Dough cut into uniform pieces. Process running smoothly.
All pieces uniform, rolling complete.
Air evenly distributed. Loaves forming perfectly.
Pans ready. Dough placed accurately. Final proofing started.
Humidity perfect. Dough rising evenly.
This is the final rise.
Timing is perfectly precise. 200 to 230 degrees. This is where dough becomes bread. The crust forms, the inside stays soft.
Golden brown. Baking complete.
Cooling starts now.
Airflow keeps the bread perfect.
Cooling is complete. Now it's ready to cut. Bread ready for slicing. Even slices, same thickness every time.
Broken slices rejected. Perfect slices move ahead.
Bread entering packaging line. Alignment perfect.
Date and batch printed. Brand label applied.
Barcode scanned. Quality verified again.
Crates packed. Inventory updated.
Stored at the right temperature. Trucks are ready. Loading complete for shops and markets. GPS on, leaving the factory. Stored at the right temperature. Trucks are ready.
Just a simple slice.